Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Training video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you change appearance in YouTube app. So simply guys, if you want to enable dark mode or disable dark mode, or you may change it default, so how can we fix it? So simply we can fix it very easily. So if you are using iPhone, first of all guys, you may open your YouTube app, and guys, first of all guys, you may just click here on your profile icon. So this interface will be open. Here is the option of settings, so you may click here, and here is the option of general, so click here guys. Here you may see that here is the option of appearance, so you may click here and you may enable dark mode, light mode, or use device theme. So if you want to enable dark theme, you may click here, and this will be dark theme or light theme, or use device theme from here easily. So let's check. If we use dark theme, you may check all YouTube theme is dark, and you can use your YouTube in dark mode. So you may also change it in light mode from here also. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.